This recipe was created when Tina and I were trying to come up with a good way to make use of the Brussels sprouts that had been sitting around in her fridge forever, and we were both thrilled to see how well it turned out. The salad is delicious served while still slightly warm as a light lunch with seed crackers on the side, or top the salad with leftover turkey or chicken for a heartier meal. Start by cleaning the Brussels sprouts. Thinly slice the Brussels sprouts using a mandoline slicer or a sharp knife. Place the shaved Brussels sprouts in a bowl. Add olive oil. Add salt and pepper. Toss the shaved Brussels sprouts. Transfer the shaved Brussels sprouts to an air fryer basket lined with parchment paper, spreading them out in an even layer. Place the sprouts in an air fryer at 390 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 10 minutes. Shake the basket a couple of times or stir the shaved Brussels sprouts along the way for even cooking. While the Brussels sprouts are in the air fryer, you can make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, Dijon mustard, honey, lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. When ready, set aside for later. When the Brussels sprouts are ready, transfer them to a large bowl. Chop the dried cranberries. And add them to the salad. Add a dash of cayenne pepper. Toss the salad with the dressing until everything is nicely coated. Transfer the salad to a nice serving bowl. Add the feta crumbles on top of the salad. And the shaved Brussels sprout salad is ready. Serve the salad while still slightly warm.